Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. So we're coming close to that time where Charity Week is around the corner, and charity is such an important thing for a person to gain proximity to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is a week in which students come to close to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala by the act of collecting charity for those that are in a less fortunate state than themselves.
Ask me about love and wanna know about it. My answer would be it's everything about Allah, the pure love to our soul.
Charity is important because it gives us a chance to help people who are less fortunate.
The heavens and the whole universe, the one that made us whole.
One way by which we can help those who are less fortunate than us is right here, right now, in our city and at our university through Charity Week. With their busy schedules and our hectic timetables in mind, the ISOC has been working very hard to collaborate with Charity Week to hold a variety of different and creative events to raise money for the pleasure of Allah Azza wa Jal. The hadith goes, generosity cultivates love.
Always watching us, guiding us.
Why Charity Week? Well, Charity Week is a fun initiative, and not only are you helping orphans and needy children, but you'll also be developing your own life skills such as leadership, teamwork, patience. All of these things will be tested, and you'll definitely make some friends for life.
Should never feel afraid of anything.
It's an opportunity for you to donate your time and effort for a great cause. Not only you help to raise money for the orphans and needy children, but at the same time it's an opportunity for you to meet amazing people and get closer to God while taking part in these activities.
It's important for us to give back even as students.
It's hard for us to balance student life with giving back sometimes, but Charity Week gives us an excellent opportunity to do this.
And I think that's the best thing about Charity Week. The fact that we're all superheroes. We all have our powers, our strengths, our potential. But it's during one week where we all come together and we bring those qualities together, and we take our time, our energy and our creative planning to embark on such a visionary initiative that will serve as a starting point and as a platform to support those who are not as fortunate as we are.
Charity Week 2018.